Following the successful release of the Galaxy S25 series, Samsung is now turning its attention to its next set of flagship devices, the highly anticipated Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Galaxy Z Flip 7. The rumor mill has been buzzing with leaks, and the latest one suggests that the Galaxy Z Fold 7 will feature a revamped S Pen. The previous iteration of the S Pen in the Galaxy S25 Ultra left many users underwhelmed. Samsung, the tech giant from South Korea, seems eager to make amends with the Z Fold 7's new S Pen design. Leaks suggest that the new S Pen will boast a thicker tip, enhancing the writing and drawing experience on the foldable screen. Renowned tipster at PandaFlash proclaims that Samsung is planning to introduce a new S Pen for the Galaxy Z Fold 7 with a slightly thicker tip. This change aims to improve the overall user experience, especially when writing on the foldable display. Production for the new S Pen is expected to begin in June 2025, just in time for the phone's release. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Galaxy Z Flip 7 are expected to bring several innovative features and improvements to the table. With foldable technology evolving rapidly, these devices promise to offer better durability, enhanced displays, and improved multitasking capabilities. The foldable market has been steadily growing, and Samsung remains at the forefront of this trend with its continuous innovation. Questions remain about the new S Pen's size compared to its predecessor and whether it will include Bluetooth functionality for features like Air Actions and other gestures. If the new S Pen includes Bluetooth, it would allow users to take advantage of advanced functionalities such as remote control for presentations, camera shutter control, and other productivity features. Additionally, the foldable devices are likely to feature upgraded camera systems, faster processors, and larger batteries to provide a seamless user experience. Samsung has been known for pushing the boundaries of smartphone technology, and the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Z Flip 7 are expected to be no exception. While these leaks and rumors are intriguing, it's important to take them with a grain of salt until Samsung provides official confirmation. Stay tuned for more updates on the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and its exciting new features.